I'm Kristine Sorensen. With restrictions lightening coming this Friday, a lot of people have questions about what's okay and what's safe. And so we are asking the doctor in today's Around the Table. And we're here talking with Dr. Brian Lamb, internal medicine doctor with Allegheny Health Network. And let's get to our first question, which is number one. Should I be wearing a mask anytime I'm around people I don't know, like shopping or out at a doctor's office?
Yes. The answer to that is yes. Even as we go into the yellow phase, one of the things to remember is that the social distancing protocols stay in place, as well as wearing personal protective equipment when you're out in public.
All right, and a related question. The governor says we can gather in groups of less than 25, but do we still need to wear masks when we're in those small groups?
You know, if it's a social group such as a wedding, a funeral, or just a group of people who you aren't in contact with on a regular basis, yes, I would actually consider that to be almost like being out in public.
For people who are leaving the home to go back to work now, what steps are recommended for daily decontamination when they come back home to their family?
So immediately washing your hands. If you can, take off your clothes from the day, wash them, wash yourself.
And now that we are allowed to gather with other people, what should older people or anyone who's more susceptible to developing a worse outcome with COVID-19 be doing differently from just your average person?
So this is important. I'm glad you asked, because I even deal with this with my own family. One of the things to remember, as counties go to yellow, patients who are still considered high risk, the elderly, patients who have underlying immune disorders, they're not technically in the yellow right now. You know, they're still supposed to do very severe, risk stratification and risk mitigation.
And you can see Dr. Lamb answering a lot more questions on CBSN Pittsburgh tonight at 7:30. I'm Kristine Sorensen, KDKA News.